I just love this kind of hop-on, hop-off double-decker bus because I love to see the view from the upper deck of the bus. And in Hanoi, you can get this bus from Opera House of Hanoi. And I highly recommend to buy the ticket from Klook.com. So in Klook.com, I got 2 tickets for 1,111 rupees. And if you buy offline in this counter, you have to pay more than 2,000. So it's better to buy from any online site. I just recommend. It's my experience only. So the tour has been started. We are proceeding to our first destination. And these are some places where we are going. Hop-on, hop-off bus tour where you don't need to hop off every time, because the best part of this tour is if you want to explore a particular place, the bus will drop you there and will pick up again after half an hour. Otherwise, you can also explore the city through this bus only from the upper deck. It is so convenient, and for me it is good. I can't say that it is so much exciting, but yes, if you want to know some history, you want a cultural tour, so definitely you can opt this tour of Old Hanoi. So after this city tour of Old Hanoi, we are here to explore one more interesting place, that is North Center of Hanoi. So if you come in Hanoi, you should not miss this place, I guess. Here you can see the Christmas preparations are going on. See this beautiful decoration. Wow. mart and departmental store, but the main center of attraction of this place is its observation deck. So now we are going downwards to the observation deck. Let's see how's it. It is just reminding me Burj Khalifa.